What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on some shop upgrades that I'm going to be doing today. Here's a couple of the items that I got. We got a retractable extension cord, garage door opener. This is the mystery one. This one's really going to help out big time, helping out to organize all the tools and stuff. And then this is the main one I'm excited for. This one's going to be some new lights for in here for whenever we're recording videos. So I think we're gonna go ahead and start off with the lights first so we can have better lighting for the rest of these installs that we're gonna do today. Got all the lights up. Not sure how it looks on cameras, but I could throw up some before pictures of before whenever I just had the regular garage light. But everything went good, looks good. It's a lot more light for everything in here. It's gonna help out a lot, especially whenever I'm finishing with stain and paint and all that. But next up, we're gonna go ahead and attach this retractable extension cord. It's gonna help me out a lot, especially when I'm cleaning up, since most of my tools that I have are still corded tools. So let's go ahead and get started on that. All right guys, now that we got that retractable extension cord done, now it's gonna be time for the third upgrade, which is gonna be this. It's actually gonna be another, like a tool locker, and it's actually gonna attach to my Husky toolbox here. So I'm gonna end up moving my table saw out of here, sliding my toolbox over, and putting the locker up right here. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this and start putting it together.
Would you like a receipt?
toolbox. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, and I'll turn the camera back on when I'm done assembling it. Alright guys, I got most of this stand-up locker put together. I got it on that jack temporarily to hold up that other side. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up this my toolbox, put away this table saw, and then I'm gonna go ahead and attach that toolbox to the locker. I got the locker all attached to the toolbox. Everything looks good. So now all I gotta do is clean up and organize the locker. All right guys, so finally got everything cleaned up and put away. This is how it turned out. Looks great, I love it. It really helped out a lot. I was able to put quite a few things in here that I had out. So that was pretty good. The lights, they came out great. I just got to work on some cable management here with these, and then on that side. And then this side looks great also. You can't really see that cord, but I also got to tie that one up or deal with that side. But yeah, so everything worked out good. I know I had the garage door opener on the intro and stuff, but I actually had professionals come and do that about a couple of days ago. So that's in there. Works great. Got an indoor and an outdoor controls, so that went really good. So my next video, something for y'all to look forward to, I'm gonna go ahead and build a miter saw station here, and I also got a new miter saw on the way, so hopefully y'all tune in for that one next. Hopefully y'all like this video. Thanks for watching.